I wanted to ask you guys that, how you said that the words jingoism or chest thumping are nowadays used to shame people, and people should wear their patriotism or their love for their country on their sleeves. But on the other side, people who do that also shame those who don't believe in expressing their love for their country and, openly, or they have their own ways. We see how people have been beaten up in cinema halls when they don't stand up for national anthem. I mean, you can love your country and also express in your own ways, and that does not mean to thump your chest or go out and say things. So what do you say about that, about the other side of the debate?
Well, to this, honestly, like Prasoon sir said, love is love. If you love your partner and you never want that partner's company, it's up to you. You can really internalize it. But it will never manifest into anything concrete. It will never really manifest into a beautiful relationship, and nothing will come of it, no partnership. It will only be inside of you. The Constitution is a promise that all of us have made with each other, with the motherland. You understand what Constitution is, right? It's not a God-gifted gift. It's not a gift that has fallen from the heaven. If we add another piece of land into this land, we make a promise with even those set of people that this is what we oath to protect. So that promise needs to be owned. It needs to be sure that we own this promise. You cannot internalize it. It is not something to be internalized. You understand?
I do understand, but to force people to express something is also not correct.
I'm sorry, I'm just so sorry. I don't want to interrupt, but I don't want to debate here.
I'll just answer that a little bit. Don't take it in another direction. See, क्या है कि आपने कहा ना कि my own way, but कुछ चाहिए तो सही साहब. आप ये कहें कि मैं एक कमरे में बंद हूँ कहीं और बिल्कुल मैं सोचता हूँ मैं जब कोई मिलेगा आकर के मैं बता दूंगा. नहीं, देखिए अगर किसी से प्यार है तो थोड़ा कहना, थोड़ा जताना, इन योर ओन वे, ऑफ कोर्स इन योर ओन वे, बट जताना तो चाहिए. वो ज़रूरी है. वो आंखों से छलकता है, वो आपके जेस्चर्स में दिखता है, वो आपके हग्स में पता लगता है, वो आपके टच में पता लगता है. आपके पता भी नहीं लगेगा और जब मुझसे पूछा जाएगा तो मैं बहुत कन्वीनियंटली, देखिए सुविधा मत बनाइए इसको, देश प्रेम को सुविधा मत बनाइए. एज फार एज यू आर कॉग्निसेंट ऑफ इट, एज फार यू आर ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट, डोंट मेक इट कन्वीनियंट. इफ यू आर हाइडिंग बिहाइंड कन्वीनियंस, देन आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद इट.
Subscribe to Biscuit TV and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another Bollywood update from Biscuit TV.